Reported by Health Canadian government website, over 7.63 million or 1 in 4 Canadians aged 15 or older live with chronic pain. Some people try to subside the pain by taking medication, and some find other alternatives. Through my asthma and fertility journey, I discovered the power of integrative medicine and how holistic medicine and conventional medicine can support each other to improve our life quality. The Wellness Gap Summit is an expert panel of medical doctors, functional and holistic medicine practitioners to raise hope and present solutions to whom suffer from chronic pain but never give up on hope and healing.